getting ready to label my, let me turn this the wrong way. I'm finna label my room spray, so I try to line it up. And if y'all wondering, because everybody buy those expensive label applicators, for me, I found this is pretty good. It's actually for tumblers, and I was like, I just need something to kind of hold it a little even to me, so you know, it's all right, it works. So I try to find these lines, and I move these over here. Although the spray, I could do it like this because I really want the spray in front of it. And actually I've started, when I do my labels, I started putting shrink wrap on these because I don't want people to spray it. I have samples and I don't want them to spray it because if they don't buy it, it's using product that somebody who might purchase it. So I shrink wrap my my body sprays. I'm also going to shrink wrap my room sprays because I have samples. So here I'm just gonna even this out to the best of my ability. I'm just gonna lift it and put it on here. Now I bought these glossy sticker paper from Amazon, and I'll show you guys what it looks like at the end of this video in case you're interested in it. And see, I just jacked up my little, I just take my little smoothie thing that comes with this and I just straighten it out because I am not label concierge, and I want to do the back because I found sometimes this stuff comes off of these labels. So this is, I'm trying to see if, hopefully it don't do it on me before, and it's not too off. I'm just horrible at this, y'all, don't judge me, but it's all right. That's why it is handmade, and you know I did it myself and I didn't buy it because you can see the imperfections in it, right? So here I'm just kind of straightening it out a little bit. The next one I'm gonna do better. That's the plan anyway. But that's that one. It's my room spray. This is one of my top sellers. They love this. It's room car spray. And let me do my next one. I just make sure these are on tight. And another reason why I shrink wrap this part right here, just to make sure it doesn't link during transportation. So okay, let me do my next one. Okay, let's see if we can get this one on better. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is smooth this down. Usually that's what I do, is like this. You can see where it's smooth. I didn't do that with the last one. Do like this. Just smooth it out. So you can see here I didn't do it. It's uneven, y'all, you know, but they'll be all right. Sometimes it's amazing. Sometimes it's not, but yeah. So that is how I apply my handmade labels. Again, I usually buy Avery labels because I like Avery labels, and they go with what I'm working with for my brand. I'm just gonna smush this down because one of my other ones, the thing was coming off on my Noel. But yeah, so that's that one. And then I got one more, and I just make sure these are on tight. So here, and get my Noel. I'm just gonna peel that off. You can see. So these are the glossy labels too. Again, I'm gonna show you what they look like. You only get 15 in a pack, but they are right because I don't use them as often. So here we go. We're just gonna smooth this on this way, and I can see where it go, where it's uneven, and I kind of messed this one up a little bit, but it's all right. It'll be all right. It'll be all right. And see, this is why I cut it down some, because you know it don't overlap. But I don't know. It might be all right because last time I noticed on one of these, when I had it like this where it didn't overlap, what happened was it started peeling some. So maybe if it's sticking to the other side, it won't peel off, because I was thinking about, you know, maybe gluing it, although it's sticky paper, trying to glue it. So I'm just gonna smooth it down with this just to make sure it's on here. And this is my first time trying this process, so I'll let you know how it works doing transport. But yeah, and I got I bought some more shrink wrap, so it'll kind of most likely go over most of this, because again, I have samples. If they want to see what it smells like, I just give them the samples. But here you can see. So here are the 3 that I did. So it's my Noel Royalty. Those are the ones I just did today. I did these because I sold out of all of these at my last event, and I think I have one of these left, or I might have sold out of that at my last event too. But yeah, just getting ready for Juneteenth event that I have Saturday, and I have another one next Saturday. So yeah, y'all check out my website, and if y'all interested in buying any of these, go ahead and hit me up at stephaniedianes.com. I'll drop the link in the bio. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
I just wanna make the moolah.